Good afternoon, Mr. Kipkoech.
Good afternoon.
Yes. Now, I want to start from the last answer you gave. You said that the alarm was raised in July.
Council, you have 18 minutes in total.
Yes.
For cross-examinations.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you. You said the alarm was raised in July?
Yes, July 10th, 2025.
July 10th, 2025.
Yes.
And the impeachment, the motion was moved for impeachment on which date? 6th of August, isn't it?
I cannot confirm that.
You don't know when the motion was moved?
The only person who can confirm that is the move of the motion.
May I ask you, Mr. Kipkoech,
yes.
You are not in the assembly when the motion was being moved for his impeachment?
Of course I was there, but I cannot answer for somebody else.
Did you participate in those proceedings?
In voting, yes, I participated on date 15th.
On 15th?
Yes. So if it is the issue of date 15th, I will answer.
And you don't recall, yes. Okay, that's okay. You don't recall that the motion was moved on 6th of August. You don't remember that?
I will leave that to the motion mover.
You don't recall or you do?
Of course I recall, but I will leave it to the mover of the motion.
So, the alarm, as you say, was raised on 25th, and the motion was moved on 6th of August. That's about 10 days, isn't it?
Which alarm are you talking about?
The motion for impeachment was 6th of August. You say the alarm was raised on 25th of July, isn't it?
Okay, the alarm on fictitious payment. Just ask me on issues of fictitious payment. What was whistleblowed?
Who is asking the question, Mr.
on 10 July 2025.
Who is asking the questions? I'm asking you again.
Yes.
Your point through your counsel was that the governor had had time to act, isn't it? That was your point?
Yes.
And it is because he had the alarm as on 25th of July, isn't it? That was your point, isn't it?
Okay, the alarm...
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am really struggling with time. If the witness could just answer without being obstinate.
Yeah, you should just answer.
But I've not said anything about
yes
25th.
Or no. If you don't, you are not aware, and just say no, yes.
Did you say the speaker had time to act, the governor had time to act?
Yes.
And when was the, according to you, when was the alarm raised?
The alarm on fictitious payment was raised on 10th
of
July.
Of 10th of July.
Yes.
And so as of 6th of August, when the motion for his impeachment is being moved, you had had about 20 days, isn't it?
Basically about 25 days.
Yes. And according to you, that was adequate time for him to have acted, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I want to move on to a different issue. These fictitious payment report, the other reports, were they sent to the governor?
Yes, it was sent to the governor.
Were they sent before the motion to impeach or after?
Before the motion.
Before the motion?
Yes.
Which date were they sent to him?
5th.
5th of?
August.
5th of August.
Yes.
Just a day before the motion for impeachment, isn't it? The speaker has told you to answer the question, please. If you don't know, say you don't know. They were sent a day before the impeachment, isn't it?
Yes, a day before.
Okay. And that one day was enough for him to act?
He had enough time from the
Let me ask you a different question. On 10th of July, when you say the alarm was raised, do you have any document showing that indeed it was a communication raising the alarm was made?
During, in the report, you'll
please just answer my question. In the totality of the documents you brought to court, do you have any document saying, I can place my finger on this document showing that indeed the governor was notified on 10th of July that there are improprieties in the county?
I don't have.
You don't have. Okay. And each of those reports provided for time to act, isn't it? Yes. These fictitious payment and all the other reports gave timelines within which the governor was to act, isn't it?
Yes.
And by the time the motion is being moved on 6th of August, that time had not expired, had it?
It had not expired.
It had not expired. Thank you very much. Now, the whistleblower, according to your paragraph 3, is the deputy governor, isn't it?
Yes.
That deputy governor deputizes the governor himself, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Have you moved to impeach him because he's equally responsible?
We have not.
You have not?
Yes.
Firstly...
So just a minute, Council.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
The House is supposed to rise at 1, but the use of standing order at 4:2. I want to extend for 15 more minutes so that you can conclude your close examination.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. The motion, the whistleblower was the deputy governor, and you confirm you haven't moved to impeach him, have you?
There is no impeachment.
There is no impeachment.
Yes.
And if this impeachment succeeds, he is the beneficiary, isn't it? Isn't it?
Of course.
Yeah, of course, yes. Okay, now, so you have taken us through issues. May I summarize the issues you've raised? You've raised issues of contracts on works and goods. You've raised issues of improprieties in procurements, including splitting contracts and payment of money. Those are the issues you've raised, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Now, when you were presiding over this committee on fictitious payments, did you find anywhere where the governor had signed any of the contracts that you're dealing with?
Of course, it cannot be.
Please answer the question. Did you find anywhere where governor signed?
Of course, in terms of signage, no.
No.
But
Procurement?
it cannot happen in all the
Please
departments.
answer my questions. I'm the one asking you questions. Anywhere where he was involved in procurement that he actually advertised the procurement?
No.
Anywhere where he was involved in splitting contracts?
But council.
Please answer my question.
But
Did you
council,
find him
it cannot
anywhere?
happen in all the departments.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I
It is
request the
either is
witness, please
incompetent
answer my question.
or is incomplicit.
Witness, Mr. Witness, please stop that exchange. Just answer questions.
Okay.
Did you find him involved anywhere splitting contracts?
No.
Did you find him anywhere going to the bank to withdraw money? Signing? Okay. Now, in your committee, you said some people appeared before you, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
And some of those people in your report, you subsequently recommended action against them, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, as you speak today, you are coming to support an action against the governor, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, prior to taking action against governor, have you taken any action against those people who you found culpable directly?
The only person who will take that
Please
action
answer
is
my
the
question.
governor.
Have you taken an action against any of the people you very specifically placed your finger on and said, this one is responsible for splitting tenders, this one was responsible for procuring beyond the budget, this one was responsible for...
Yes, we recommended.
You've made recommendations?
Yes, sir.
You've not taken any action?
Of course, we don't have that mandate.
You don't have that
Assembly.
mandate?
Yes.
Isn't it true that the County Government Act gives you powers to act on CCs?
Yes.
And have you acted on any of them?
But in this case, most of them were COs.
Okay, and
Yes.
so what have you done in terms of acting? Merely recommending?
Yes, on COs, we are recommending it to the
And the recommendation is to who?
County Public Service Board.
County Public Service Board.
Yes.
And have you set up that Public Service Board?
It is in the report.
Lastly, just to save on my time, prior to the excitement to bring this impeachment against the governor, did you give him an opportunity to react to your concerns? Did you hear him? Did your committee give him an opportunity to be heard?
Of course, what we did...
Please answer my question. Did you invite him to respond to your concerns?
As the Assembly, there is no way we can invite...
Please answer my question, Mheshimiwa. Did you invite him to answer any of your concerns?
To the Assembly, we don't have that mandate. The only way we can invite the governor is through impeachment.
Listen to my question again. You are chairing a committee, isn't it?
Yes.
Did you invite him to come and answer any of the questions you had? Mr. Speaker,
okay.
Sir, if the witness could answer my question.
Yes, we invited him to respond to these issues through impeachment motion, which is here before us.
Okay, so let the senators listen. So the only way you invited him is through impeachment motion?
Of course.
You did not bring him down and ask him about the building you are splashing on the...
And that is why he had an opportunity to be in the Assembly on date 15th.
And so this impeachment is meant for him to explain how there was improper procurement, why contracts were, any procurements were split, why contracts were not properly executed. That's your point?
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you very much for the opportunity to cross-examine. And Mr. Kipkoech, thank you for answering my question.
Council for the County Assembly, do you want to do the examination to the witness?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I have some 2 or 3 clarifications to the examination. Thank you so much. Who raised the alarm that founded the basis for forming the ad hoc committee?
Deputy Governor, His Excellency Fred Kirui.
In which department does the Deputy Governor work? In which section of the county county structure? Executive or the assembly?
He is the principal assistant of the governor.
The principal assistant to the governor is the one who raised these issues?
Yes.
You've been asked about the deputy governor being the principal beneficiary of this impeachment motion. My question to you is, the facts in the deputy governor's alarm, when you did your investigation, did you confirm them to be correct or false? The facts he raised, were they eventually confirmed to be correct or false?
It was correct.
It was correct.
Yes.
Who supplied you with the documents that helped you to verify the allegations in the DG's alarm?
CC Finance.
The CEC Finance.
CEO Finance and chief officers from the affected departments.
To whom is the CEC Finance answerable?
To the executive headed by the governor.
To the executive headed by the governor. You have been asked as to why you now attribute these actions to the governor without any signature of his on the paper trail. What do you say to that?
It cannot be coincidence that all the departments is being affected by all these fictitious payments. It's either the governor is incompetent or is in support.
That is all in my re-examination.
We have more 10 minutes. They can open to the senators. If you need any clarification. Senator Joe Newton.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I just need to seek some clarification from the witness. Mr. Witness, when you did this fictitious payment report,
yes,
you must have been motivated by the need to see that resources in Kericho County government were expended in the right way.
Yes, yes.
And it is also true that the governor does not or did not sign any of those documents. So once this corruption, because it's corruption, was found to have happened, apart from impeaching the governor, did you as a committee or as a personal level find it necessary to report this crime to EACC as a good resident of Kericho County? Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I have a couple of concerns here. These are issues that we deal with on a daily basis, issues of accountability. And now I am deliberating on the earlier resolution of the House, as chaired by the Speaker, in terms of calling additional witnesses to be able to verify certain claims which are being raised here. These issues which are being discussed here, Mr. Speaker, relate to the issues of accountability, which falls under two committees of this House. Specifically, the Committee on Public Accounts, committee of this account. I have followed keenly on the submissions by the Council for the Assembly. I've looked at volume 4, page 87, on the picture which was being displayed on the screens of a building which is supposed to have been paid for 2 million shillings. And all of us here are quite clear. And I've also followed keenly on the issues that have been raised in terms of public participation, on the expenditures which were incurred for that exercise. My concern here is this. The earlier issue that we're dealing with was an issue of technicality. But now we come to the issue of a fiduciary responsibility. The question that I have, and I have two questions for you, Mr. Speaker, is one. Will it be in order?
Witness. You know I'm not the witness.
Sorry, will it be
Senator
a request for you, Mr. Speaker? Will it be in order for us to call for the contractor who was paid this money? Because we're all talking about fighting corruption. If a contractor was paid 2.8 million to fix a building and it was not built, we need to be able to separate fact from fiction. Number two, now to the witness. You have indicated that you have carried out a fictitious expenditure report, and you are able to identify these payments, that payments were made. You know, there's one which was overpaid. There was one department that you alleged, the water, I think water, was budgeted for 1 million shillings, but the overpayment was for...
My communication and all the time we have been consuming 2 minutes only.
Then
because of time.
Can I finish this? You should have told me that, Mr. Speaker.
So just
because,
conclude.
Mr. Speaker, this is a very important matter.
Conclude within 1 minute.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Speaker. So the question is, you are dedicated that in the water department, the budget was 1 million, but the procurement was 3 million. Did you verify clearly that these payments were paid out, or was it a budget or a planning budget or an actual budget? Finally, Mr. Speaker, on the issue that I've raised, I've requested you, can you please guide this House in the matter of expenditures that have been paid out, whether we can verify that from either the controller of budget or from the contractor?
Let the witness answer or clarify those issues. Maybe okay. he has an answer for you, Senator Orekina, that he has the documents to justify his allegations. So witness, you have 4 minutes.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Speaker. The first question on ESCC report from...
Under senators, witness, proceed and give your responses.
Okay, when the Deputy Governor appeared before another committee, he confirmed that he wrote a letter to ESCC on the said fictitious payment. We also invited the County Secretary, who confirmed that they have also received the reports from the ESCC. So when we saw that already the ESCC has a report, we decided to deal with the issues that we were expected to do by the Assembly. On the issue that was raised by Senator from Narok, we have a budget, and that budget has only a figure of 1 million. And when the CC appeared before us, he confirmed that all the payments in that list of fictitious payment was paid. So which means it was overdrawn in that fourth line item. Thank you.